Okay, now the last topic for this chapter is combination of resistances. Combination of resistances means if I draw a diagram like here, this A, B, C, these three resistances are in series. Then here if I take another combination, so E, F, G, they are in series. But what about this? If I take two terminals Y and Z, in between these two terminals Y and Z, these two resistances are parallel between Y and Z, but among itself they are in series. So if you are asked to find out the total resistance, what you will do? First you will sum up these three values A, B and C. Suppose this is 5, 5 and 5. What will be the equivalent resistance in this strand? It will be 15 ohm. Then if you are asked between Y and Z, you need to find out this also. These are in series combination. So summing this, you will get 15 ohm. Why we are getting 15 ohm? Because in series combination we just add it on 5, 5, 5, we get 15. Okay. But now this 15 ohm, if we write R equivalent here 1, R equivalent here 2, and this the final resistance X and Y. So here 15 ohm and here 15 ohm. Next you will find out the equivalent resistance using this. So the final resistance or the final equivalent resistance between X and Y will be 1 by Rxy is equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 15. Take the LCM and all, like it will be 15 here, then 2, 1 by Rx. Just take the reciprocal because we need to find out Rxy. So Rxy will be equal to 15 by 2, that will be equal to 7.5 ohm. So this is your final answer. If you are asked find out the resistance in a combination of resistors, first you need to find out between what terminals it is asking. So here I was asking in terminals Y and Z. Find out the terminals between what it is asking, find out whether they are in series, combination and so, and just follow the steps. So this chapter is over. Hope you understood it. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Thank you.